everyone, welcome to our 3D printing filament machines video. So this is our team, me, Lei, Aiman and also Mu. So without further ado, let's move on to the real part. In a world overwhelmed by plastic waste, our environment faces a growing crisis. So we as a group take an initiative to introduce you guys to a new product, which is the Eco Filament extrusions machine. This machine contains the cutter, heater and also spooler for 3D filament. It produces a PET filament from a PET bottle. Interesting, huh? Well, let's go to the technical part. So here are all the sensors and also all the equipment that are used and connected to an Arduino Uno. And right now, you can see that we contain a bottle cutter, a heating block and also a spooling coil, where it is used by a stepper motor. Well, next, let's go to the video demonstrations. And here we can see that the heating block and also the spooler are being powered by using a DC power supply, and the heater is currently heating up. And with that demonstrations, here are the results that we get. So, with the demonstration aside, here are the benefits of our machines, where our machines are much cost effective, reduce the wastage, and also sustainable. And lastly, here are our competitor analysis. Well, seems like we reached the end of our presentations. Thank you all for watching and see you all next time.